How to fix TikTok live option not showing. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. In order to go live on your TikTok account, you must fulfill some criteria. First, you must be at least 16 years of age. This is determined by birth date when you initially create your TikTok profile. And second, you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers to unlock the capability to go live. If you fulfill these requirements, you will be able to access the live option. Click on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options as post, story, templates, and along with these options, you will find the option of live over here. Clicking on that option, you are able to go live on your TikTok account. But in the case you cannot find that option over here, what you can do is close this. Then click on your profile page. Click on the three bars given at the top right corner. Click on the option of settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down. Click on the option of report a problem. Scroll all the way down and click on the option of submit a report. Now here you have to explain about your issue that you fulfill all the requirements to go live on TikTok but still you are not getting this feature. And then you can send it. With that TikTok support team will get back to you within 24 hours and your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily fix unable to go live on TikTok. Well, this is how you can fix TikTok live option not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.